Welcome to your science news update for January 27th, 2026.
Okay, first up, we're heading to Colombia, where an incredible discovery in a 5,500-year-old skeleton is literally rewriting medical history. So, what did they find? Researchers have managed to get the oldest known genome of Treponema pallidum. Now, that's the bacterium behind syphilis and other related diseases. And this is a huge deal, because it completely flips what we thought we knew on its head. The old idea was that these diseases sort of popped up alongside big cities and global trade. Well, it turns out that's not the whole story.
For centuries, the leading theory, you've probably heard of it, was that syphilis came to Europe from the Americas after the 15th century. But this new finding just blows that timeline right out of the water. We now have genetic proof that the pathogen was present in the Americas for millennia longer than we ever knew. Way, way before any European contact.
Now this is where it gets really fascinating. This ancient strain is a totally distinct, lost lineage that split off from the others almost 14,000 years ago. That's thousands of years before the modern strains even showed up. And the kicker? It was found in a hunter-gatherer society. This tells us the disease wasn't a product of crowded cities. It evolved alongside small, mobile groups of people, which completely changes our understanding of how ancient infections spread.
All right, so from our planet's ancient past, let's zoom way out and turn our gaze to the vastness of the cosmos. Get this, the James Webb Space Telescope has just given us the most detailed map of dark matter ever. The map from Hubble back in 2007 was groundbreaking for its time, but Webb's new view is twice as sharp. It reveals the cosmic web. You can think of it as the invisible scaffolding that dictates where galaxies form in absolutely breathtaking clarity.
Diana Scognamiglio, the lead author of the study, puts it perfectly, saying this new resolution is a complete game changer. It's like we've been looking at a blurry picture, and now we can see the universe's invisible scaffolding and stunning detail. We can finally see the fine structures holding everything together.
And Webb isn't just mapping the invisible. Its powerful infrared vision is giving us these jaw-dropping new views of cosmic events. Just take a look at the Helix Nebula, about 650 light-years away. You're seeing the final stages of a dying star as it sheds its outer layers. Webb's view cuts right through the cosmic dust, revealing all these intricate details and giving us a little preview of our own sun's distant fate. Okay, bringing our focus from deep space right back down to Earth, our final story looks at how science is tackling some major environmental health crises.
First, a pretty sobering look at plastics. New research from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine is warning that the health damage from plastics, everything from greenhouse gases during production to toxic chemical exposure, is on track to double by 2040 if we stay on our current path.
And here's the part that might surprise you. This chart breaks down the threat. We often focus on plastic waste, right? But the study shows that nearly 3/4 of the total health burden actually comes from emissions and air pollution, mostly during the production phase, before product even gets to a consumer.
So that leads to a huge challenge. How do we clean up persistent pollutants that are already out there? I'm talking about PFAS, those toxic compounds, also known as forever chemicals, because they just don't break down, and they are in water sources all over the world. But there's a breakthrough. A new technology has come along that could revolutionize water purification. Researchers at Rice University have developed a material that can soak up certain PFAS from water up to 100 times faster than the filters we use today.
This system is like a 1-2 punch. First, this special material is incredibly fast at capturing the chemicals. And second, it gives us a sustainable way to destroy them. By simply heating the filter, the trapped PFAS are broken down into harmless bits, and the filter itself is regenerated, ready to go for another cycle. So, to recap today's headlines, we've spanned from rewriting ancient disease history with a 5,500-year-old genome to seeing the universe's hidden structure with unprecedented clarity and developing powerful new tools to help heal our planet from persistent pollution.
And that's your Science News Update. We'll be back with more in 24 hours. If you found this informative, please go ahead and like and subscribe.